Measure and mark 3 pieces of poster board so that each piece has 2 squares of different sizes. Draw diagonals on each square to locate the center. Cut out all the squares. To make the canopy templates, first tie one end of the string to a marker. Secure the string with tape. Next, measure 10 inches from the knot. Cut the string. Use a second marker to mark the string at 9 inches, 8 inches, 6 inches, 5 inches, and 4 inches. You do not need to mark 7 inches because you already have a template of that size. To make the 20-inch template, hold the loose end of the string on the X in the center of the 20-inch by 20-inch square. Hold the string taut and move the marker in a circle. Cut out the circle shape. Draw a dark line across the center of the circle. Label the line with the diameter. To make the 18-inch template, use the 18 by 18-inch square. Hold the string against the X at the 9-inch mark. Trace a circle and cut it out as you did before. Continue shortening the string one mark at a time to make 16, 12, 10, and 8-inch diameter canopy templates. Reuse the 14-inch template from Activity 3.